We should all know when is a good time to have your heating system checked. How much should it cost? How much does it cost to have it replaced? How can you find a good company to reach it, and should you get more than one estimate? It's recommended to have your heating system checked regularly to ensure it's operating efficiently and safely. The best time for this depends on the type of heating system you have. For furnaces, it's a good idea to have them inspected and serviced annually, ideally in the late summer or early fall before the heating season begins. This allows you to address any issues before you need to rely on the system for warmth. Boilers should also be inspected annually, preferably before the start of the heating season. Late summer or early fall is a suitable time for this maintenance as well. Heat pumps should be inspected twice a year, in the spring and fall, to ensure they are ready for both heating and cooling seasons. Let's look at how much should it costs for routine maintenance. A heating system can vary depending on several factors, including your location, the type of system you have, and the complexity of the maintenance required. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $100 to $300 for an annual heating system checkup. It's important to get quotes from local HVAC professionals to get a more accurate estimate for your situation. The cost of replacing a heating system varies significantly based on factors like the type of system, its size, efficiency, and your location. Here are some approximate cost ranges. A new furnace can cost anywhere from $2,500 to $7,500 or more, depending on the type and efficiency of the unit. Boiler replacement costs can range from $3,500 to $10,000 or more, depending on the size and type of boiler. Heat pump replacement costs can vary widely, typically ranging from $4,000 to $10,000 or more. Some tips on finding a good heating system replacement company. When looking for a company to replace your heating system, follow these steps. Ask for recommendations. Seek recommendations from friends, family, or neighbors who have had heating system replacements. They can provide insights into their experiences with local HVAC contractors. Check credentials. Ensure the HVAC company is licensed, bonded, and insured. You can verify this information with your local licensing authority. Read reviews. Look for online reviews and ratings on platforms like Google, Yelp, and the Better Business Bureau to gauge the company's reputation. Get multiple estimates. Obtaining at least 3 estimates from different HVAC companies is generally a good practice. This allows you to compare prices, services, and warranties. Ask questions. When meeting with HVAC contractors, ask questions about the recommended heating system, its efficiency, warranty, and installation process. A reputable company should be willing to address your concerns. Check references. Request references from the contractor and contact previous customers to inquire about their experiences. Remember that the lowest price may not always be the best option. Consider the company's reputation, the quality of their work, and the warranty they offer when making your decision. A well-installed and efficient heating system can save you money in the long run on energy bills and maintenance costs. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to keep these videos coming.